Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play games on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your Snapchat application on mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Now just swipe right on the camera section and then search and locate the chat you want to play games on. You can see that if I enter the chat, there is no rocket icon available. This means that you cannot play games on Snapchat right now. To see the solution, go back and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now here, just tap on Settings option at the top left. And after that, I scroll down towards the bottom and then select I need help. Inside it, search for games. Give it a go and then select an appropriate option. You can see that now you cannot play games on Snapchat anymore. So just don't waste your time behind inappropriate videos on YouTube about how to play games on Snapchat. You will definitely not get anything. So that's basically how you can play games on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.